Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Locksport. The frogs and I are in the car. We're at a park. We parked at a park. Got this beautiful Master Lock 7040. Scored this when I first started Locksport about 4 years ago, and I've never tried to pick it. So let's give it a go. It's got a dead shackle, which means there's no spring on it. You have to pull it up yourself. It's not core retaining, but look at the spring actuator pressure on that core. It just wants to create a crater in my finger. That is difficult. That's going to be difficult to pick. So turn the key, pull the shackle. The key stays like that. Push the shackle back in, flicks the key back into position. So there's our key. It has 27 on the bow and a series of numbers. There doesn't seem to be any corresponding numbers on the lock or the box. That's all we've got. So don't know if this was perhaps used as a lockout, tag-out lock at one stage. I couldn't say. But if anyone knows what key blank this is, what key blank does the 7040 Pro Series take? Because I need to get some more of these keys. So if anyone can tell me, that would be helpful. Leave it in the comments. Alright, we're going in top of the keyway. And we're going to go, we use the Ghost femur, take it on its first outing, a little bit of Locksport On Location. I have changed the orientation, I've turned it upside down. I'm using the ball as my comfy space and using the facets to rest my fingers on. I'm enjoying that. Okay, it's a standard hook or thereabouts. It's 23 thou, I think, not sure. I'll have to pull it out and have a look, but I think it's the 23 thou I've got in there. So given that this actuator is so strong, it's going to be difficult to know when this lock is actually fully picked. You're going to have to keep tugging on the tension wrench to see if you've got an open. So it's a 5-pinner. Oh, nice false set from pin up the back. Going for pin 3 now. Counter rotation on 3. Lost that false set. Okay, let's go back and try and get it back again. Little clicks. Coming to the front of the lock. Okay, don't forget the pin just tucked in behind the top of the keyway tensioner. It's quite a heavy padlock. I reckon it's possibly steel wrapped in some chrome because of the weight. It's very weighty. Whoa, I just lost the tension wrench. Let's try that again. They would have the same little pins and serrated stuff as the American pins. This was a lock that was probably produced before Master Lock took over American Lock. But they all had similar stuff in them. Big counter rotation there and drop back into that false set. High lifts in the middle. Counter rotation. Doesn't want to go. Still doesn't want to go. Come on. Oh, lost the tension wrench again. Nothing like flying tensioners to keep you going. The frogs are still sitting there enjoying the show, so we're all good. Okay, touch that back pin, false set straight away. Let's work it forward. We're going after pin 3 now. That's that high lift that I spotted on the key. You don't want to go, so let's go try some of its friends. Counter rotation there. Okay, who else wants to be picked? Coming back up to pin 2. Can't actually see the keyway, so just feeling my way, doing a lot of playing with the warding, trying to get around it. Haven't quite got the angle that I need on my pick. And lost the tensioner. Let's try that one again. So you've got to have light tension but heavy tension. Light tension to set the pins, heavy tension to hold it into the keyway, and super heavy tension to try and turn the lock with that actuator. So those combination of things make it not an easy lock to pick, I reckon. I'm parked in a park, so a lovely winter's day to be listening to the wildlife sing the song of their people. Doesn't seem to want to go. Check that we're not losing the tension wrench. Ooh, bit stuck. Here we go. Where's my angle? May have just overset something because now I'm not feeling anything. No, just got counter rotation. Checking. That's not open yet. Let's just change picks. This one can lose our tension wrench. pin behind the tension wrench. Lost the false set. Let's try and get it back. Whole car park full of spaces and they have to park next to me. Why? Mozzies are coming for me now. Jeez, look at the size of that beastie. Oh well, go to God. Okay, now I just felt something move then. Does that mean we have an open? Let's just get someone else in here on the bottom because we're such a strong actuator. Let's try and do that. No. Okay, let's keep going. Big clicks. Big click. Big movement on the actuator and the core. I felt movement then. I wonder if I've got it this time. Grab the tension wrench. Just put it in the bottom. Oh yes, we have it. Oh, that's strong. Well, that took some getting, didn't it? Right, so while I'm here, let's just dump all this off my lap. Got the dash. Just want to give you a keys out. Windows up. So if anyone knows what key blank that lock takes, it'd be really cool if you let me know. Drop it in the comments, thank you. Just want to give you a bo peep at where I'm at. And I want to show you this little steam, what is it? What do you call it? Steamroller. I remember as kids we used to love playing on this sort of stuff at parks, pretend we could drive, and now we drive cars that are hardly need a person to drive them at all. Takes the fun out of stuff. So this is an old steam engine. Look at that. It's a steamroller. I wonder what sort of, it's McDonald Australia. Well, that's not the burger kind. Look at that down there. Look at the gearing. It's all just cogs. Cogs made it go. The old wheel, the big wheel. So this is a Imperial Mac diesel, so it's not steam, it's a diesel engine. That's interesting. Well, you can't resist but get in the driver's seat, can you? Because, you know, that's what we do as kids. So this is pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Any comments? Appreciated. Woohoo! So this is a pretty big park. It goes on for ages, like all the way down there, all the way around. They got dogs running around everywhere. There's a big tennis courts over there. I've never been here before. This is called Hazelwood Park. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.